Time, a look into its swift passage. Have you ever wondered why days seem to pass by in a blink? It feels like we just woke up and before we realize it, it's already night. What's going on? Time, as we all know, is constant. Yet, the perception of its passage isn't. In childhood, an hour could feel like a lifetime, but as we grow older, it seems to fly. So, what brings about this change? Memory plays a crucial role in our perception of time. The more memories we create, the slower time seems. This is why we often feel like time stands still in new experiences. But as we grow older, our routine becomes familiar and mundane. Fewer new memories are made, hence time seems to pass faster. Our brain just skips over the monotonous hours, making them seem quick. This phenomenon is also called the telescope effect. When we look back at long periods, they seem shorter than they were. This is because our brain condenses similar events into a single memory. We also tend to underestimate the time taken by tasks we're familiar with. It's called perspective timing. This is why driving the same route every day feels faster than the first time. Additionally, our busy lives have us constantly rushing and multitasking. The more tasks you juggle, the faster time seems to pass. This is because our brain is too occupied to track time accurately. With age, our biological clock also slows down. This discrepancy between our internal clock and systematic time creates an illusion that time is speeding up. It's a subtle reminder that our time is finite. So how can we slow down time? By breaking routine, exploring new skills, and making new memories. The goal is to trick our brain into thinking that time is passing more slowly. Still, remember this, time itself isn't speeding up. It's our perception of it that changes. Understanding this can help us better appreciate the time we have and live more fully. In the grand scheme of the universe, our lives are but a blink. So take a moment, breathe, and remember, every second counts. Make time for what matters, and you'll never feel like time is slipping away.
The perception of time passing quickly can be influenced by various factors such as routine, engagement in activities that capture our attention, or a lack of new or memorable experiences. When we're absorbed in tasks or accustomed to a predictable schedule, time may seem to pass faster because our attention isn't focused on the passage of time itself. Additionally, as we age, the relative proportion of time in our lives changes, which can also contribute to the feeling that time passes more quickly.